Hey, what's going on, my friend? Thank you for being on this video. Justin Temple here with a really quick team bonus video, and I'm going to explain everything that you get when you join my Home Business Academy Funnel Builder team. So let's go into this real quick because I know you're looking for someone to join. I know you're looking to find the best program, and this is a really good program, the Home Business Academy. I love the leaders. I love the coaching and what this business is centered around, which is heartfelt leadership. So let's get into, now this is a review. You can click the link down below and visit jessaleontemple.com/, Home Business Academy Funnel Builder Review, and you can visit this page right here. And right here we have our bonuses, all right? So bonus number 1 is personal coaching. You get access to me. You get access to ask me any questions that you have about your business, the industry, other industries. If you want to get into other industries, I'm very knowledgeable about e-commerce, about store optimization. I'm very knowledgeable about being able to help other people and other industries build their business as well, because I did have a social media marketing agency and things like that. So if you want to reach out to me, have some personal coaching, you're more than welcome to once you join my HBA Funnel Builder team. So you get complete access to me. I'm not going to just go into the witness protection program. I actually have knowledge up here that you can access, and so that's a huge bonus. All right. Now, bonus number 2 is email marketing deliverability training. I'm going to teach you how to actually make sure that your emails hit the inbox. And that's a very huge bonus for a lot of internet marketers because they don't understand real email marketing. Now, bonus number 3 is top 2 favorite paid traffic sources. That's going to be where you can get leads for 67 cents. Okay, this is very powerful. All right, so anyone that joins my HBA Funnel Builder team for $25, you get access to my top 2 favorite paid traffic sources that will absolutely crush promoting offers like this. Okay, promoting affiliate offers. So bonus number 4 is how to make a high converting capture page. All right, so once you have your funnel builder, how do you use it? Now, not only how do you use it, but what do you actually make to convert your traffic, right? So I'm going to teach you how to actually make a high converting capture page and the elements that you need and the elements that you don't need to actually make it succeed, so that you can build a profitable automated business that recruits people on autopilot, because that's what you want, right? You want to be able to make money while you sleep. You want to be able to sink your toes into the hot sand and be able to make money while you are looking at the beach drinking a Corona. And that's the lifestyle that we are trying to achieve. So and you need to be able to do that, or you can be able to do that through high converting automated capture pages. All right, so you need to be able to automate your business and have little things in place to be able to live the dream lifestyle that you want, so that you can not have to be at the computer all the time. So having a high converting capture page can definitely save you a lot of time and allow you to step away, because just imagine if your capture page right now is at 20% and you get it to 30%, well, that's 10% more leads, 10% more sales, and 10% more revenue, which could be enough to just walk away from your computer and not even have to do your Facebook posting and stuff, right? So really powerful. Recruit on demand script. You're going to be able to, this is one of the more powerful bonuses that you actually get access to. I use this when I talk to people as far as like if they're entrepreneurial. This script is really good to close people as far as finding out their desires, their core desires, and being able to sell them based on what they want. And so you're going to effortlessly be able to recruit people like cutting butter with a warm knife using this script, okay? And it's not salesy, it's not weird, it is very simple, and it is question based, okay? So you're going to be asking questions, and that's it. It's very simple, and you're going to be qualifying people, all right? And it teaches you how to overcome objections very, very seriously, okay? It's not just like, oh, if they say this, then just hang up on them. No, it's like, here's how to overcome the objections. And so this is a very powerful script. I highly recommend that you use this no matter what you're promoting, no matter what you're selling. Very, very important. Bonus number 6 is done for you bridge page template to automate sales. So not only are you going to get a high converting capture page training, but after people opt into your capture page, you're going to have a done for you bridge page template to help you automate the sales and help you make the laptop lifestyle money so that you can live the dream that you want. Okay, so the bridge page allows you to increase your conversions, allows people to get to know, like, and trust you before your offer. And I have a done for you bridge page template for you to be able to record a real quick video, and you can opt into justinleontemple.com, and on the next page you'll see the bridge video. And that's the same video template that you get. All right, so very powerful, very awesome to be able to offer that. You can offer it to your team as well, and it allows you to automate your marketing, allows you to make sales while you're sleeping. It allows people to get to know, like, and trust you, and get to want to be a part of your business, pull out their credit card and join. They want to pull out their credit card and buy because they see how awesome you are and the value that you provide by having a bridge page video and what's inside of it. So bonus number 7 is top 11 video ideas to generate more autopilot leads online. So if you're struggling to come up with video ideas to be able to post on YouTube and generate more leads for your business, this is going to be able to help you come up with more ideas and actually plug into some keywords that maybe you didn't find before. So it's going to help you build out your traffic and generate more of a presence on YouTube, and even more of a presence on other channels because it's for videos, not specifically for YouTube. Okay, so bonus number 8 is proven 6-figure daily marketing checklist. So I'm going to be giving you a daily checklist that you can follow every single day to actually get proven results. And this is a proven checklist that you can use to actually generate more followers, generate more leads, generate more sales, and actually build your team. Okay, so I highly recommend that you get this. It's all free once you join my team for 25 bucks. All these bonuses, and it's a total value of $2,008 or $2,007.99. And it's all 100% free for joining HBA Funnel Builder for 25 bucks. So I hope you enjoyed this HBA Funnel Builder team bonus video. My name is Justin Temple. Make sure to click the link down below to visit this page right here, watch the review, go over the bonuses, and make a decision right now as to whether this is right for you. And go ahead and click the button, click the link, make a decision, get started, and start building a profitable pipeline business that you can be proud of, and it will allow you to quit your 9-to-5 job, and it will allow you to live a lifestyle of freedom. So, thank you, my friend. I appreciate you being here. My name is Justin Temple. I look forward to working with you and for you to be on my team and for you to get access to all of these awesome team bonuses that you can use for any business. And again, HBA Funnel Builder is not for one particular MLM. You can use it to promote anything. You can use it to promote any course, any product, any service that you want. So being a part of my team is not limiting you to only HBA. It's not limiting your business at all. Being a part of my team gives you access to more resources, more bonuses, more training that you can use to succeed in your business, no matter what you're promoting. So thank you for watching this video, my friend. My name is Justin Temple. I look forward to helping you, working with you, and for you to click that link down below right now and join, get started, pull out your credit card, buy, and that way you can have an awesome tool that is better than Clickfunnels as far as price and as far as marketability, because it's way cheaper and it does the same thing. All right, my friend, I'm going to cut this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Anything that you want to ask me, comment down below. Hit the bell notifications. My name is Justin Temple. I appreciate you. Again, click the link down below and build out your dream funnel. Build out a high converting funnel that's actually going to allow you to live a lifestyle of freedom. Thank you again. Click the link down below right now, and I'll see you on the inside.